to get loud. I run with a redneck, rough and rowdy crowd. You got your friends, I got mine. Yeah, and I get by working.
Here's a little update on my 2002 Silverado. Dog won't shut up. This is temporary, but I installed Dixie horns. I forgot where I bought them from, but they're black ones. They're not the Wallow kind. Basically, you just wire it up to your battery terminal, and then the relay and the grounded it right there. And you run the switch into the cab, which, I mean, I did it at night, so I mean, it looks like shit, but it works. Button zip tied right there. I did it so I could remove it whenever I wanted to, which I'm going to after this video. It was fun while it lasted. I'll let you hear how it sounds. You. Alright, so my truck's got long tube headers from pace setter and true duals, 3-inch all the way back. New transmission from Monster, built by Monster Transmissions, it's completely custom. I got 2 high flow magnet flow cats. The pipes just run back